Hello, little learners! Today we're going to learn the ABCs with things we see every day. Let's get started. A is for apple. Apples are red, green, and yummy. B is for book. We read books to learn and have fun. C is for cup. We drink milk or water from a cup. D is for door. We open the door to go outside. E is for eraser. An eraser helps fix our pencil mistakes. F is for fork. We eat food with a fork. G is for glasses. Glasses help some people see better. H is for hat. A hat keeps our head warm or cool. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet. J is for jar. We keep jam or cookies in a jar. K is for key. A key opens a door or a lock. L is for lamp. A lamp helps us see in the dark. M is for mirror. We can see our face in a mirror. N is for notebook. We write and draw in a notebook. O is for orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. P is for pencil. We write and draw with a pencil. Q is for quilt. A quilt keeps us warm when we sleep. R is for ruler. A ruler helps us draw straight lines. S is for scissors. We use scissors to cut paper safely. T is for toothbrush. We brush our teeth with a toothbrush. U is for umbrella. An umbrella keeps us dry in the rain. V is for vase. A vase holds pretty flowers. W is for watch. A watch tells us the time. X is for xylophone. A xylophone makes happy music. Y is for yarn. Yarn is used to knit soft clothes. Z is for zipper. A zipper helps close our jacket. Great job! You just learned the alphabet with things you see every day. Thank you for exploring with us. Don't forget to come back for more fun with Tiny Tots Learning. See you next time for more fun learning.